my channel. So we are here with another one. Today I did a makeup look. I did this sort of cranberry shimmer type of look, and it is featuring the new Juvias Place palette with a collab with Vanessa, who is another YouTuber here, very talented black female. So definitely check out her channel as well. The palette retailed for $10, and she also had a lip gloss. She actually has two, but I only brought one. The palette retailed for $10, and I believe the lip gloss was $10 also. Could have been $8, I'm not sure. But here is the palette, very pretty. It has 4 matte shades, 2 shimmer shades, and I literally used every shade in this palette except for Busy. I was going off the top of my head. Busy didn't make the cut. I could have used it as a lid color, but it didn't make the cut, but I'll definitely use that in another video. Juvias Place is definitely a brand that you need to have if you are a makeup artist, or if you just want to play around and make it very inexpensive but very pigmented, definitely top quality. So if you do not know, it is a black owned business as well, but very good quality. You definitely have to get your hands on a Juvias Place palette. So if you want to see how I got this look, make sure you stay tuned and make sure you come back to check out another video. Why not? So let's get into the brows as always. NYX brow gel. Got these brows done, so we're looking a little better today. Now I just need my hair done. So Juvias Place in the number 10. I'm gonna take this flat top angle brush. Alright, just gonna blend that out. Right, so we're just gonna conceal eyelids with some concealer. Gonna set that in place real quick. Let's get into the palette. Go in with Stush and see how that works. Just gonna take this above the crease. So I'm gonna go in now with BSG, and I'm gonna put that right beneath Stush. And I'm gonna blend Stush out with it. Alright, I'm trying to use all these colors, so I'm gonna go on with this acro. Alright, don't judge me, because I don't know how to say that. There, and then we're gonna put extra on top of it. Pretty.
What? Oh my God!
Young with BSG. Just deepen up this part here. Gotta concentrate on this liner, baby. Get into the face. I already moisturized my face with, of course, the Pond's Dry Skin. Since we are using a Juvias Place palette, I guess I'll use the foundation. This was my summer color, so I don't know. Hopefully it works. This is in Malawi. Again, foundation brush, and you just blend that out. Right? Whew. I'm gonna use Stush for a blush. Okay. Okay. Let me see how we didn't use Perfection. Let's put on some mascara. We're gonna try the lip gloss, Legit Nude lip gloss. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Hope you like how it came out. But again, thank you so much for watching.